The flag of Vietnam, also known as the red flag with a gold star, has a simple yet symbolic design. Here is the meaning behind the flag. Background color. The flag's background color is red, which represents revolution, struggle, and the bloodshed of Vietnamese people in their fight for independence and freedom. Yellow star. The flag features a large five-pointed star in the center, which is colored yellow or gold. This star represents the unity of the Vietnamese people, under the leadership of the Communist Party of Vietnam. It also symbolizes the country's goals of independence, socialism, and the bright future of the nation. Overall, the flag of Vietnam is a powerful symbol of the country's history, struggle for independence, and socialist ideology. It reflects the Vietnamese people's determination to overcome challenges and build a prosperous and united nation. Thanks for watching the video. Share with friend who need to see this video.